Let us start by explaining the concept of cookies. Cookies are files stored on your local computer or other device when you visit a website on the internet. The saved file usually contains information on the name of the website it comes from, the time of its storage on your computer, and a generated individual code used to identify the browser from which you connected to the website. Cookies allow websites to store user preferences on a given website. One of the most well-known uses of cookies is the Remember Me function found on virtually every website that has a login option. Cookies are also used for marketing purpose. They remember whether a user has already seen a particular advertisement or not. Thanks to such information, an advertiser can, for example, only show an advertisement once. This also has a bearing on the advertising content displayed to the user, as this content can be better tailored to the user's interests or preferences. Cookies are used in statistics. It helps us understand how users use websites so that we can improve their content. Disabling cookies does not prevent you from reading or viewing the content on the website, but it may cause difficulties when using some services on the website. In particular, those requiring a login. Cookies can be cleared in a similar manner in practically every browser. The only differences can be found in the way of accessing the browser settings and in the naming of the bookmarks. As most users are using Google Chrome, we will show you step by step how to clear cookies. In the top right corner, click on the 3 vertically stacked dots and then select Settings. Then, go to the Privacy and Security tab. Select Clear Browsing Data. In the visible panel, we can select the options we are interested in. And this is how we clear cookies from our browser.